Kintsugi. All right, what did we do today? Today we did a lot of things. We worked outside. I fixed a garden hose end. The end broke off. Couldn't unscrew the other attached piece on it, so just went to the hardware store and got a replacement piece. Tractor Supply was the cheapest for something $5.70 something with tax, under $6, so it worked out pretty good. But the thing I wanted to show today was a arts and crafts thing. Kintsugi. Kintsugi. So it's pretty much a Japanese thing, mending broken pottery. This is not the authentic way. I just used some super glue, Mod Podge, and a paint marker to put a little accent on the crack lines. Now it's normally gold dust. I use silver and all that stuff, but I don't have all that stuff. So I did it this way. Pretty cool. It's probably not watertight anymore or liquid tight, but I think it looks pretty gnarly. Do people still say that word? Gnarly. Anyways, Kintsugi, check it out. Kintsugi, here's a brief breakdown of what Kintsugi is. And there you go. My 2022 version of Kintsugi. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.